Hello, good morning everybody. Today's the first day of the week. This is 27th of June. So I'd like us to start off with the chart on my screen. I want us to start off with the chart on my screen. This is a GBP AUD. So we have a trend line here. We have another one here. You can see we had a resistance here. We had a resistance and we had a resistance. Then we had a support here. Had a support. There's this breakout. The price came back, touched it here, and currently as we're speaking, the price is somehow bouncing off from the same trend line. So this here is a good place to look for a sell from. Where the price is now is a very good place we want to look for a sell position from. We expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this point here. So we expect the sellers to push us down at least up to this level, where if the price breaks below it, then we expect it to continue downwards at least up to this point, which is 1.75622. The next chart is GBP USD. Looks like this is bullish. We are headed to the upper side. So we have a very good resistance level here. You can see that we have a resistance here. We have a resistance there. We have a resistance. There is this clear breakout. So as we're speaking now, we expect the sellers to push us. Like we expect a pullback, not actually the sellers. We expect a pullback back to this point here, these two lines. The line at the top is 1.23128. The next one is 1.238087. We expect the price to come back up to those two lines so that we can pick a position. So if the price can pull back and touch these two lines, then that is going to give us the best place to look for a buy from. So we also have a trend line here which supports the fact that the price may still be in an uptrend. You can see the lows getting higher. This is a lower low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and even a more higher low here. The next chart is the Brent oil. So with the Brent oil so far, we are expecting the price to move to the upper side, but we don't expect it to break beyond this level here. This is a very good level. You can see that somewhere here it was used as a support here. We had a support there. We had a support. Then the price moved up. It came back down, broke below this point. Then it continued down before coming back as a resistance here. We had a resistance there, and currently as we're speaking, we are having the same place. We expect it to be used as a resistance, which should be somewhere around this point here. So the one at the top is 110.155. The next one is 108.906. So if the price could hit there, we expect a sell-off at least up to this line here. So we expect this could be a very good place to sell it from, at least up to this point. If the price breaks above that level, then we do expect it to extend to the upper side, at least up to these two resistance levels. The first one is 115.952. The next one is 113.579. The next instrument is Euro USD. So with the Euro USD so far, it also looks like the price is headed in an upward manner. So you can see that here we have a very good trend line. We have very good trend upwards. So we have that. And then we have that one. So it looks like the price may sell off from where the price is now, but I don't expect the price to sell off somewhere here. I don't expect a sell-off. So I do expect, despite the fact that this looks like a very good place to look for a sell from, I don't expect the price to sell off from here. Instead, I want it to continue upwards up to this resistance level. So we have a resistance there, we have a resistance there. I expect this line to be violated to the upper side, at least up to these two lines, where if the price breaks above it, then we do expect it to continue even higher. So we just expect price to move up to this point, break beyond it, then continue to the upper side. Or if the price does not break above this point and instead gives us a sell signal, then this will be the best place to look for a sell from, back to the lower side, at least up to this point here. So a sell off will mean you're continuing downwards, at least up to this point here. The next chart is the SP500. So the SP500 is gaining momentum to the upper side. For the past few days, we've seen sellers dominate this market. What we are seeing now is a possible cap formation. So if you have this as the handle, if you have that as the handle, then this is the value side of the cap, and we expect that since the bars are pushing price upwards, they should continue upwards at least up to this point here. So look for buy positions on this chart, look for more buy orders, expect the bars to push price upwards at least up to this point here, where if the price breaks above it, then we do expect it to continue even higher. So this is a very good opportunity for buying. Keep looking for buy orders at least up to this point here. My next chart, I want us to look at the US dollar Japanese yen. Have it there. So this chart, basically nothing much appears to be happening. The price is within some shape. So we have that, and then we have that, then we have that. So basically we have a resistance here, we have a resistance, we have a support here, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support. So if the price can pull back and touch this line here, then this will be the best place to look for a buy from. We expect the buyers to push us upwards, at least up to the line we have at the top, which is this one here. So the US dollar Japanese yen, we expect buyers to push us down up to this point, so the price may move upwards back to this level here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.